How to change screenshots and screen recordings folder on your Android device. The first way is you can swipe down and tap on the screen recording icon. As soon as you do this, you can see you will be headed to this page over here on screenshots and screen recordings. You can see the folder, you can tap on save screenshots in, and you can select the folder of your choice. After you have selected it, just go ahead and tap on done. Once you do done, now your screenshots will be saved in another folder. If you scroll down, you can see the same for screen recordings. Just go ahead and tap on it and change the folder. The another way is you can just go ahead and go to settings on the top right hand side once. Go to the search bar, click on the search bar and search for screenshots. So after you search for screenshots, the screenshots and screen recordings will appear under the advanced features. Go ahead and tap on it and you can do the same thing. So guys, I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more.